Did you meet the baby? No, I haven't. Where is she? It almost bit me! What the hell was that?
And this is why I drive Grandma's car to the store.
Hey! You don't look handicapped. Oh my god. So this is the kitchen. Dad, no. Honey. Sir, are you okay? Man, shut the fuck up, bitch. I done stubbed my fucking toe. Crazy ass white bitch running all over the place and shit. Yo, Dad, this is my friend Tucker. Tucker, nice to pop those the weasel. No, Dad, Tucker says things he doesn't mean to. Oh. Nice to meet you, Mr. Eat that ass. Eat that ass.